Wow, look at that hawk. Beautiful. Another hawk. That one's cool. What's the owl doing?
Wow. Look at these
Bro's
two
just
owls.
chilling.
Mama.
But he got a friend over there. Prairie falcon. It's TJ and Tavi, the two owls. A bridge. Look at this fall, bro. Bird. Look how close up this one is. I could almost pet it. Mega cool. A turkey vulture, also known as a buzzard here in Nebraska. I've never seen one so up close. It's huge. Looks like a vulture because it's a turkey vulture. Super cool.
Look at this one.
Look at the Aussie.
I did it.
Whoa. Bro, this guy's tiny.
He's cute.
Nebraska's favorite bird. Bald eagle. Their names are Fisher and Freedom. Look at, there's one. And there's the other one.
Oh yeah, there it is. It's over there. Joe, there's one inside.
I know, I saw.
There's two.
Freedom.